Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So I've always done makeup tutorials on my channel, and today I wanted to do an updated one featuring a cut crease. And before we get into this video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and give me a like and share. Alright, so first I'm doing is taking this Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim defining pencil, and I have the color, what color do I have? I think it's a dark brown color. I have the dark brown. So what you want to basically do is just fill in your eyebrows in your shape, like as the shape you have, and just start from the bottom and just outline them, and it's like slowly start filling them in. But you don't want to go too harsh or hard, because you really want it to be more of a natural, seamless look. And when you get into the front, you want your brush to have like upward strokes, like slow. As you can see, like my strokes were up, because if you just draw them in like the same way as your others, it's not gonna come out right. And then you want to just take a flat brush and some kind of concealer of your choice, and just start slowly outlining your eyebrows, and this will have them have more of a like a sharper appearance. So yeah, just keep filling them out. You just take your time with this, and slowly you'll start to see them come to life a little bit. I mean, because they weren't that bad, but I feel like once you like use concealer to sharpen them, they look way better. And just make sure you blend that out as well. Yep, so just do the same for the other eyebrow, and girl, you're gonna be good. Just remember, take your time, make sure you blend it out. And I mean, some people don't like to do the top, but I like to do the top of my brow as well. So it's up to you. It's really your choice. But if you do use the top, do the top part, just make sure you're blending it out. So yeah, I'm about to take this Profusion Cosmetics Spectrum palette. I got this from Walmart. The first color I'm using is the shade Bermuda. I got this palette from Walmart. I've been using it. I like the colors. So basically, when you start your eyeshadow, so you're going to start off with a transition shade. Your transition shade is usually the lightest shade that you're going to use in your makeup, in the makeup look, period. So you want to put that in your crease, and I always tell people to make sure you dab it on first, because if you put the eyeshadow on and just start blending, the color is going to fade away. So you need to pack your shadow on. That's how you build your color up, and that's how your color is going to really actually show. So you need to pack it on your lid first, a few, maybe like 5 times, and then start blending it. And this next color is called Peacock. And as you see, like you see me packing it on my lid, and then I start to slowly blend it out. So yeah, just keep blending. And your second shade, it needs to be darker. So you always want to go from light to dark. That's how you're going to get a nice seamless eyeshadow blend and look. It needs the first shade has to be the lightest color that you put on your eyelid. And then you want to slowly start building up your colors, but your second colors and third colors need to be darker. So now I'm going in with this purple shade in that palette, and it's called Rain. So I use purple to deepen this up. I put this in my crease, and yeah, just pack that on and just slowly start blending it, y'all. Y'all have to blend. I mean, I know this tutorial is sped up, but I was blending, okay? You need to blend, and it's gonna be irritating, but you gotta blend. So yeah, And you need to be using some kind of like not concealer brush, but blending brush. I use all Morphe brushes, so yeah. All right, so for this part, you need to have a flat brush and use your favorite concealer of your choice. And this is how you do a cut crease. So basically, you want to just start outlining your crease of where your crease folds in your eye. So this is, you need to just watch because it's kind of hard to explain. So you just want to just slowly start shaping your crease of your eyelid. Just slowly start shaping your crease of your eyelid and make sure it's neat. Just this part, you need to take your time. Just take your time and just like slowly start using like it's like a U shape. If you want to do a regular cut crease, but I was trying to do a double, but it didn't work out for me. So I just kind of just like finessed it a little bit, as y'all can see. But just slowly start shaping it. Take your time. Don't use too much concealer because then it's going to start getting messy. So as y'all can see, look, like I'm just outlining my eyes of where my natural crease folds in my eye. Because you got to make sure that it's high enough. If it's not high enough, this is going to defeat the purpose. So I did try to go on with that James Charles palette and use that white inside of that palette, but that did not work out for me. So in the video, you're going to see me using a different shade. So in this one, I tried to darken up that purple in that palette in my crease to just kind of like intensify it a little bit more. And then this is when I went in with that Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette, the Nicole Guerrero one. And I used the Forever Lit shade. And that was like a white shimmery shade. And then you just want to make sure you blend in whatever color that you got in that crease onto your lid. And just blend it. And it'll all like kind of like seamlessly like come together. So I had to use some face primer for my eyes for this glitter. And this glitter is from No Lashes Effort on Instagram. I actually won this like last year, and she sent me 3 of them. And they like glitter pigments. They like the big pieces of glitter. So yeah, just do that. And now we can go into the face. I'm using this Maybelline Master Prime, and it's for blurring and a smooth canvas. And y'all know I'm using the best foundation in the world. Y'all know it's from fucking NARS, and that's in the color Macao. And this one is the Natural Radiant Longwear one. So for my concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. And I want to say it's in the color Tan Lat. So yeah, y'all just want to just blend that out. I always put my concealer on my high point. So the parts of my face where people are going to really notice first is where you really want to put your concealer. Because you want to have, and I like my concealer to have like a brightening effect. So that's how I put my concealer on. I know it looks like it's a lot, but look, this is how I get my makeup to be flawless and beat. So don't come for me. And y'all know we going in with that trusty, that Laura Mercier powder and the color translucent. I've been using this powder for like four years now, y'all. She basically like $40, but I mean she lasts and she's good. And this is, I feel like, is a key to how my makeup be looking too. So I just wanted to put that purple shade underneath my in my lash line. Because, you know, when you have like popping colors, you don't want to leave your lash line just regular. I mean, you never want to do that anyway with any type of makeup look. So always make sure you fill in that lash line. So I'm using that Forever Lit and that Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. That's what I'm using for my highlighter. As y'all can see, I actually use this highlighter a lot. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to be using that I'm Not Blushing Powder Blush Duo. It's by Patrick Starr in his MAC collection. And then for my lips, I went in with that Milani Understatement lip liner in the color Saucy Toffee. And I went in with Lime Crime Buffy. It's a liquid lipstick. And, you know, just blend that right on in. And yes, y'all, this is the look, okay? Like, period. I know I haven't really be doing I don't be doing my makeup as much no more because I'm into hair. I like doing my hair now. You know, I'm trying to be a whole package deal out here. But y'all, thanks for watching. Bye.